Sana someday, maging totoo na tong dream bike ko. Hala, mali yata tong wish ko. Okay, hindi pa man totoo yung full-size dream bike ko, pero at least yung mini-me ko, may GS na. Gusto mo rin ba ng sarili mong 3D figurine? Watch this. Sobrang lupit ng pagkakagawa nila. Hindi lang ba sa 3D print, sobrang ultra-realistic ng details. Pati helmet ko, yung Reso Motocom, kahit yung mga details ng print sa damit ko. Kita lahat. At ang sikreto, Memento 3D Studio. Gumagamit sila ng pinaka-advanced na technology gamit ang 120 cameras. This is the country's first 3D figurine company using photogrammetry to capture intricate details. Kaya bawat anggulo, detalyado. Sobrang sophisticated ng craftsmanship nila. Walang nakaligtaan, bawat detalye, pulido. Sobrang dali lang din ang process ng pag-capture. Just wait for 3 seconds and you're good to go.
Done.
Joke lang, hindi yan ganyan. 3 seconds is just for the posing, but you have to wait for 7 to 10 days for the final product. At kung gaano sila ka-sophisticated sa production, ganun din sila kaingat sa packaging. Pwede rin ito sa mga couples, families, barkada. Actually, okay rin to pang regalo. Gusto mo rin ng sarili mong mini-me? Gawin na nating totoo. Visit Memento 3D Studio now. Located at 4A, Banawe Square Building, Banawe Street, corner G. Rojas, Quezon City. This is Mini-Me Jancy. Thanks for watching.